Freddy. Freddy.
Did you hear something?
Yes, I'm talking to you.
Oh.
Do you want to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get ready.
About 4 hours later.
There, finally! Oh, it's so hot out here.
Yep, it is. Warning, shark attack.
Hello, could you please step away from the beach? There's a huge shark. Attention everyone, please step away from the beach.
I'm scared, Freddy. I'm scared.
I am too, but we've got to deal with it.
Everyone get away from the pool. Freddy, I'm really scared. Freddy, I'm really scared really bad, Freddy.
Well, we need to go home.
But we only stayed here for like a minute.
Okay.
Well, I guess we should go home. I thought we would have a good time, but I guess we have to go home. I guess we have to go home, Freddy.
No, I think they shot the shark. Look at the pool.
Oh, okay, Freddy. I think we should go take a nap because we've been traveling for like 4 hours.
Okay, you want to go to our hotel?
Yes.
Thank you everyone for watching our video. If you'd like to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Bye!